Hi, my name is Holger H. Ray Heine. I am the team leader of Volume 7, a coding team that has developed the secure and efficient solution to the HACC 17 challenge presented by the Hawaii Office of Elections. The challenge was to provide an application that would make it easier for the Office of Elections to efficiently manage election volunteer registrations, training, and assignments. The app that we developed in response to the challenge is called ELVOS 1.0 HI, short for Election Volunteer Scheduler 1.0 Hawaii. It consists of two main parts. The first part is used by volunteers to register and schedule a training session, and the second part is used by the Office of Elections staff to monitor volunteer registrations, training sessions, sign-ups, and volunteer assignments to various job positions and locations. Spencer Young, who designed much of the front end, opted to build the interface on Bootstrap, assuring full responsiveness of the pages and making sure that everything looks great on any device and screen size. Let's begin with the first part. This part is a basic in-tech form where we collect information about the volunteer who wants to register to become an election volunteer. We decided to make the email address unique and essential in the sense that it's the most important part to communicate with the volunteer. So there's different safeguards included to make sure the email address is correct and properly formatted, and it does exist. Once the form has been submitted, the app sends an email with an application code, confirmation code, which needs to be entered into the form by the user. So that way we can verify the email address. Then we collect the regular information that's of interest and that's required by the Office of Elections. And we broke down the form into different parts to make it easier and more manageable. Once the basic information has been collected, the user is asked to select a position that he or she would like to work as, and that brings up the different training locations and dates that are available for that position. So in that way, we ask the user to select a position and then a training session that would qualify him or her for that position. We display the address information and date and time for the training sessions, and upon a click, we display the location of the training session on a map. At this point, what you see here is actually a map of all the polling places in Oahu. Was put together by Charles Gum for us. It's part of the project, not fully implemented, but the idea is that each polling place, each polling station, can be clicked, and then it reveals the address information for that polling station. And furthermore, clicking on directions will move the data information, the map information, over to Google Maps, which is very convenient for most folks and widely used. Finally, let's take a look at the admin pages, the pages designed for the staff at the Office of Elections. Here we have a basic list table which lists all the new registrations in the order they come in. And let's refresh it, and there we see our just completed volunteer registration. It allows for a detailed view, the current demo, and it shows some of the submitted information right there, together with the training location and the desired position and so forth. These pages will allow the Office of Elections staff to communicate individually with volunteers and with groups of volunteers, for instance, all the participants in a given training session. There's query modules built in for what we thought might be convenient query terms and those of course can be customized. And this page would be designed specifically for the staff of the Office of Elections. Finally, a quick look at our project page, toposmedia.com/HACC17, with a link to the DevPost page, which gives an overview of the project. Thank you for watching. Thank you.